Another unique ability of the electric drive planter is the ability to run the planter while stationary for setting vacuum levels in pre-season or diagnosing problems, or even using it as an inspection tool in the off-season. So commonly we can go to the meter runoff. Make sure your planter is raised up before you do this. You can select what row you want to run off. So if I want to use my row that has my vacuum gauge on this 12 row machine, I can select row number 7. I can input a target population and a target speed, and then I can decide how many seeds I want to run in the row runoff. So we'll go ahead and select 2000. I can come up here, I can hit my begin icon. The planter will start planting. In this case, we don't have any seed in the planter, so we can see we're getting all skips. But the meter runoff can be used to set vacuum levels ahead of time, where we can see our singulation and get the planter dialed in. Also, if we're out in the field and one row seems to be having a problem, we could try to do some runoffs on that row to diagnose the issue. Also, if we go to the diagnostic screen, we have the ability to do a planter row runoff. This is going to run the whole planter, all 12 rows. Again, we can input our target population and our target speed. And again, we can hit the drive icon to start the test. So in this case, we're not dropping any seed. So we're not getting any information here on population, singulation, or seed spacing, but we can see our RPM. This is going to be our meter RPM, motor RPM on the meter. So you can see everything looks good. Everything's right on target. Also have the ability to look at the torque index. You can see all my rows are running fairly even on torque. That tells me I probably don't have a problem with one of the meters being set too tight or too loose on my hub engagement.